How to connect Google Map to car Bluetooth. First step is to turn on your Bluetooth connection. Now, once the Bluetooth is activated, make sure that your car is ready as well, which means make sure your car Bluetooth is turned on as well. Once you have rest assured of it, next thing that you need to do is turn on your Google Map. Now, in the Google Map, navigate to the Google icon that is in the top right corner. From here, navigate to Settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see the option of navigation and click on it. In the navigation section, ensure the play voice over Bluetooth is toggled on, as well as the play voice during phone call is toggled on as well. What this will do is it will allow you to direction or the navigation to be heard out from your car speaker itself, and it can guide you throughout your trip. Now, if you require a visualization, you can download other applications such as Android Auto, which will not just navigate you vocally, but it will also help you to generate image in your car display. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.